I scored full marks in the Infosys Springboard Natural Language Processing Foundation Certificate Assessment. And if you also want full marks, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I am sharing the exact answers to the NLP Foundation Certificate Assessment. No explanations, no confusion, just direct correct answers. So watch the video till the end and make sure you don't miss any question. Let's get started. Which of the following gives us a meaningful base of the word? Correct answer is lemmatization. Which of the following is a sequential type model? Correct answer is conditional random fields. Consider a scenario where you are given a pool of tweets data to build a model for predicting relevant hashtags. Can you use a word to hack model here to find out the context of the various tweets? Correct answer is yes. Bag of words model can be used when. Correct answer is sequence of words is not important. Which of the following factors make NLP a difficult problem? All options are correct. A neural network with 4 inputs as 4, 3, 2, 1 and weights are 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. What will be the output of this network if the transfer function is linear with constant proportionality equal to 2? Correct answer is 40. Consider the following code. Correct answer is the second occurrence of for $. Which of the following is usually considered as tokens in text analysis? Correct answer is words. The information flow is always bidirectional in feed-forward network. Correct answer is false. Freak list in LLTK plots which of the following? Correct answer is all tokens. Which of the following are taggers? All options are correct. The information whether a word refers to a place can be found in which of the following type of text? Correct answer is annotated. POS tagging is an example of. Correct answer is annotation. Which of the following is true about a GRU when compared with LSTM? Correct options are 1, 3, 4. The method polarity scores gives us which of the following information? Correct answers are negativity of the text and positivity of the text. Which of the following is an example of corpus? Correct answer is brown. What will happen if the learning rate of an ANN is too large? Correct answer is both A and C. Which of the following is a multitask benchmark and analysis platform that can be used for evaluating natural language processing? Correct options are 1 and 3. Which of the following are applications of NLP? Correct options are 1, 2, 3. Words that are part of the language but are not used to convey the key ideas are called. Correct answer is stop words. Now we have solved all the questions, so let's finish the test. Here you can see the result. I scored full marks in the Infosys Springboard Natural Language Processing Foundation Certificate Assessment. If this video helped you get the correct answers, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more assessment solutions. Thank you for watching and all the best for your certification.